we the Igbos in Edo, we will make sure our Obidient will be Shettima Asiwaju 2024.
I think of Tinubu Shettima campaign organization, the Presidential Campaign Council, as the state coordinator, to have the singular honor of inaugurating this wonderful, hard-working group, the Igbo group of the PCC Edo State. By the grace of all, in the name of Almighty God, the Creator of heaven and earth, I wish you the best of luck. We are inaugurating you today as the representative of the Igbo group. Your assignment is to bring in more Igbo brothers and sisters into this group for the purpose of working for the Asiwaju Shettima campaign organization. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Long live the Jagaban of Africa. Amen. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Well done. Congratulations. Madam. Congratulations.
How are you? I'm fine, sir.
Well done. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, I haven't told you yesterday. I said it today. Well done. Congratulations. Thank you. You are already the son of this soil. You are the Igbo Bili people, not the Igbo group. Igbo Edo people. Your children are born here, they go to school here. All the benefits accruing to those children here, you also have. You are the teaching of this town. And you know, some of you are aware this town is not a discriminating town. I'm appealing to you to please not to say we are already together. Let us work truly together.
You would not regret it. And I want to tell you, the entire North has resolved to vote Tinubu for president. What we want to do in Edo is to be among those that contributed to his success. The question whether Tinubu will win or not is over. You know, we have over 23 governors. So what is left? So it's just for us to be enthusiastic, be among those that contributed to the success. And in Igbo in Edo, you have been given recognition by the party. And so please do not let us down. We want to see you mobilize the Igbo. We want to see you come out in your colorful masquerade and Igbo attires, in your thousands. And I want to assure you that you will not regret it in any way. You know, the message of Asiwaju is clear, or the renewed hope. You know, you can see what he did in Lagos. All those fake videos you see, don't believe any of them. Asiwaju is healthy. You see what he has done in Lagos. He has transformed Lagos totally. And I want to assure you Nigeria will be a better place, will be a more prosperous nation with Asiwaju as president. Let us join hands together. Let us put tribe and religions aside and work for the betterment of Nigeria for our collective interest.
Hey, I am Ben Wilson. What I want to say is a kind of assurance to you. Irrespective of what is happening at the so-called levels, they give themselves names and what have you. We believe strongly that Asiwaju is a better candidate to achieve the goals of the development of this country. We have that firm belief, honestly. We know he has the capacity